Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2023 Indian Pursuit Dark Horse Premium. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2023 Indian Pursuit Dark Horse Premium with 8,169 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, heated grips and seats, TPMS, a keyless ignition, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, navigation, an electronic windshield, electronic locking luggage, and traction control. It's been upgraded with 8-inch handlebars and aftermarket mufflers. Powered by a 111 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Pursuit Dark Horse puts 126 horsepower and 133 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel tank, the Dark Horse has a 220 to 250 mile range. It has a 26.5 inch seat height and a 937 pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts and both tires at 430 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a paint blemish on the highway peg fairing. This bike has an owner's manual and 1 fob, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.